Don't let those chicken influencers tell you different. Sometimes your coops just get gross. No, you don't get to go outside, Spot. It's been a long winter. Chickens have been in here for a long time. It's not that pretty. It's actually pretty gross. I mean, look at that. Look at that deep bedding. That's some gross deep bedding. But here's the thing. I'm gonna put down some more straw. In a month or two, I'm gonna pull all this out, and it's gonna be a primo compost pile. And look at that. If I was one of those chicken influencers, I could pretend like my coop is perfect also. All you have to do is throw down another bale of straw